Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Thought. Here today I will do the reading for our lovely and very flirtatious and very passionate Leos. So let's see what's coming for our Leos in their love life for coming times. What are the energies going on for our Leos? I will see the recent past and the present situation and the future of your connection. Let's see what's going on for our Leos. What was there for our Leos? Let's see. Angels tell me about our Leo's energy, Leo's love life. Okay. It is for the past. Okay. So you are in a light-hearted situation. You are the dragonfly and teddy bear. Someone is there in your energy whom you are taking interest. The romance is blooming. You are flirting with that person, want to date this person. You are just in a talking terms now. I'm getting. You are want to know this person very much. Okay, something there they are knowing about you. You are knowing about them. There is lots of talk, lots of messages, lots of communication is going on in the recent past. Now, what happening in Leo's love life? What is going on in the Leo's love life? For the oracles, let me see what are the energies for Leo's love life for now. What's going on for Leo's love life now? So, yes. Swords and roses, dating and coffee cups. So now you are dating. Now you are meeting them physically. You are taking them out. They are taking you out. You are spending time together. There are lots of partying, lots of dating, lots of dates, and you see them. They see you. They love you. They are very much in your energy. You are very much in their energy. Yeah, there is a lovey-dovey energy going on in your connection. So, what is going on? Because Leo now sun was there in your energy. It was maybe there was a birthday night and you both are together. So, belated birthday to our Leos. Let's see what's coming for our Leos in the future of this connection. What will be the future of this connection that Leos are dealing with now? Oh, what's going on? So, no, I don't want to take these energies. I don't want to take these energies. So, let's see what's coming for Leos for the coming future. What's true that will come again. How much I am trying to bring out a positive energy, but something will shock you to the core. Something will shock you to the core. Not today. Addiction. Oh. So let me see what is coming out by the thought. What will come out? What is the shocking energy coming out? I will see it. First, I will see from the past. Past, there was very much lovey-dovey energies are there. You want to date them, they want to date you. There was lots of fun, lots of uh, butterflies in the stomach. It was very smooth energies were there. Two of Pentacles, you are very much nervous to talk to them, but Six of Wands, you are taking interest and they are taking interest in you. Justice, maybe a Libra or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn was there. So this person was taking lots of interest, lots of attention towards you. They want to give you justice in love. So what was the problem? Maybe this person is a divorcee or widower, or there was some another energy involved in this connection. I am saying that Two of Pentacles is here. There was some another energies um, lingering in this connection. Let's see for the current situation. Swords and roses. Some clarity and truth came out in the current situation. When you date them, there was new connection. It was a new connection, and they want to know you. You want to know them. There was lots of communication, and in this communication, you figure out something from their communication, that from their conversation, that there is some revelation, something they have told you, or something come out from your mouth, something new came out, that is the reason of this shock, a reason of this surprise transformation. What is the truth? I want to know. I'm a bit nosy. So let's see what is the truth that come out. Lovers, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Eight of Wands. Okay. So there was lots of communication. I told you. So there was a communication, and someone, there is option or there is choice between your love connection. Someone new is there in their energies. Maybe it's you, or maybe it's another person. I'm getting that. Or you are dating a married person, because there is a Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this is a divorcee person, or this person. I'm strongly getting that this is a, or this person is coming out from a connection. Very recently they come out from a connection, but they have that past situation lingering on their energy, so that is the reason they are not taking the risks, or they are just trying to come out from that. Yes, there is a, yes. Okay, now I'm getting Four of Cups, Four of Pentacles, World card, Page of Wands, Six of Cups, and Four of Pentacles, Six of Swords. They are coming out from the worst situation of their life. That maybe this person is a divorcee, or maybe this person is winding up a situation from the past and coming towards you, but they are not opening up wholeheartedly because of the past situation, or because, yes, this person is hiding their truth, hiding their emotions, maybe. Yes, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups. They're wishing to come towards you, but they're balancing their energies now. Okay, that's the thing. Let's see. I think you got to know about that past situation, or past events, or past trauma about this person. That's the reason you are surprised, or you're shocked. Okay. Narcissist, what's this is? Yeah. What is this? The golden mirror, narcissist, love bombing, self absorbed, one sided. What's this? In the coming future, this is the energy that is coming towards you. Okay. So, may not be resonating. And if you don't want to resonate with it, then don't take it in your energies. Okay. Let's see. It may happen, may not happen. Okay. So, this is a general energy. So, take it as it is. Let's see what is the shocking news coming towards you in the future, recent future. Queen of Cups. What is the recently coming out? What will be the shock, or what will be the surprise news is coming towards Leos in the recent? Okay, Nine of Swords. It will take your sleep out. It will take your sleep. Yeah, death. Oh, definitely. You will go through a transformation. Scorpio energy is here. Knight of Swords. Someone will rush towards you with lots of communication. Strength. You have to hold your strength. You have to hold the strength with yourself. Leos, fasten your belt, tighten your belt, whatever is there, but you have to grip up. Okay? gear up, rev up, whatever. Now, this person is coming towards you. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Chariot, Queen of Wands, Hangman reverse. So, this person wants to come towards you to be committed, but there is a but. There is a reason of but, because Knight of Cups, Two of Wands. You have to take a decision about the future, because there is a third party situation. Definitely, there is a third party situation. Three of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. You have to take a time. King of Wands, Leos. You take some more time. Three of Pentacles. Definitely, there is a third party situation. The energies are not clear now. They have the past situation lingering on their energies. Maybe this person is not coming. This person is going through that turmoil of their past situation. Seven of Swords. Maybe they will hide something from you. Maybe they will hide something from you. Seven of Swords is also there. Death card is also there. And just what are the truth of the situation? What are the truth of the situation? Yes, Ace of Pentacles. What's that? Ace of Pentacles. What's that? Oh God, 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 God. I don't know what to say. Queen of Swords and Three of Swords. There will be a truth. Harsh truth is coming out for you. Seven of Cups. Definitely there are options. Definitely there are options. Five of Cups. What's hiding behind the Five of Cups? Ace of Cups. So there are options of your partner. Hermit. It's hidden. Ten of Pentacles. I am getting that the past person or the ex-husband or wife is coming towards this person secretly. Knight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. They want to work these things out. The past situation or past person is coming towards your person to work things out with them. Yes, this person, the past, your person's past ex-lover or ex-husband is coming towards your person to work things out with this person. So they are pausing their connection, or they are taking their time to think about your connection. Okay, that's the truth coming out. So, Leo, what to do? Let's see what are the words they are not telling you. What are the unspoken words that Leo's person is not telling Leo's or hiding from Leo? Oh God, lots of words. What's that? I don't know the reason behind this. They don't know the reason behind this, because the past situation is coming towards them suddenly. They are also in a dilemma. I know exactly what, oh my God. I know what exactly what I was doing. This person knew it. This person knew it all. I cannot forget my, see, that truth is here. I cannot forget my first love. This person, your person cannot forget their first love or first husband or whatever, the ex-lover. Oh my God, this person is saying, I'm done with you. Leos, please tell me what to do. I am done with you. Oh my God, I wish I could treat you better. They will say that they are sorry. They will feel. Let's talk and clear our misunderstanding. The past person is coming towards your person, and they want to clear all the misunderstanding between you and them. Please come back. See, this your person is going to, I let forget the past and start new journey. So your person is forgetting about whatever they have gone through in the past in their energy. So I'm trying to improve. Your person's ex-lover, ex-husband is trying to bring their person back in their life. So I still feel the same for you. Where are you, Leo? Where are you? There is no chance, and there is not a single energies of Leo are here. So what to do, Leo? Cut the crap. Come out from this energy. There is nothing to tell you about. You know it well. You know it well. What are the guidance for Leos? What are the guidance for Leos now? All that glitters is not gold. So you can understand. If it is seems like that this is your person, that's wrong. That's all. Oh my God. See, can you see this? This person is not for you, darling. Leos. Change in the wind. So, time to take nap, and you can't mend this situation. The person whom with you are, this person is going towards that past situation and they are mending each other. So you take the nap, chill pill. Okay. Go and have a nap. There is nothing to do. Leave them in their situation. Higher power. Yes, this see one thing more. The connection that your person is, no, I have to tell it like that. The connection that you are in is not for you. This connection is not broken yet. So leave them as they are, because higher power is with that person too. That's the reason they bring that person in your, that first person in your person's energy. Okay. Right. So let it be. Let it be. What else? Lots of fishes are there. Go and grab one another. Okay. Bye bye. Have fun, Leos. Have fun with other persons, or have fun with your friends now. Enjoy your single look. Okay. So if you want this types of energy, subscribe to my channel, have some fun. You will have lots of energy exchange. And if you want a private reading, then email me or go to the WhatsApp. There is a WhatsApp number in the email ID, or oh, sorry, what I'm saying. There is a WhatsApp number in the description box if you want a private reading. Okay. So that's it for you. Bye bye. Have fun.